Hello students, how are you? I'm fine. At this moment, stay on Faridpur, Upazila of Navarkanda. It is a very enjoyable moment for me because many kinds of different people are meeting for the future career build up in your life. So you are a public speaker, so you practice more and more your subject. You are a marketing officer, so your practice of marketing subject is important for your lives. This moment you are a English speaker, so marketing is the subject where there is many kinds of places are very important. You are convince your man and others cited, so you are a perfect marketing officer at this moment. You are a perfect man. So your practice more and more marketing. Flipkart said that marketing is the process by which company create value and capture by the people, by the customer and other cited. So your practice more and more. And business faculty other subject of accounting, finance, insurance, bima, finance, banking and other subjects. So bachelor of business administration is the main faculty of business administration. You are completed of IBA Institute of Business Administration and completed of Masters of Bachelor Business Administration. So you are a perfect businessman and marketing officer. So you are completed public university in your with country and without country. You are completed BBA program. So Bangladesh Dhaka University, Jahangirnagar University and Khulna University are completed BBA program. They are not the any kinds of specific subject. It is a accumulative but collective subject on all other accounting, finance, marketing, management, insurance, bima and all other subject are collecting from our BBA program. So specific subject accounting, finance, marketing, management, specific subject are BBA. So Bangladeshi two universities very demandable department of Khulna University and Dhaka University. So you are completed a BBA program Khulna University or Jahangirnagar University. Dhaka University IB is very important for the job lives. It is important for chartered accountant and others auditing and cited of business faculty. So you are completed accurately BBA program. So you are a perfect demandable job for the private sector in Bangladesh. So you practice Bangladesh. You practice more and more for Bachelor of Business Administration, so you are a perfect job seeker in Bangladesh and without Bangladesh. Thank you very much. See you again later. Thank you very much.